Okay. So the topic is what? Assignment rule in Salesforce. Okay. Yesterday I have explained you what actually the assignment rule is. Means dynamically, if you want to assign any lead or any case to a particular user or to a particular queue, then we do with the help of what? Lead assignment rule or case assignment rule. Okay, so Salesforce has provided what? Two types of assignment rule. That is the lead assignment rule, through which our lead will get dynamically assigned. Okay, our lead will get dynamically assigned to particular queue or a particular user on a specific rule criteria. Okay, on the basis of what? Specific what? Rule criteria. So let's see, first one is lead assignment rule. Okay, the first one will take as lead assignment rule. Okay, now, so सिंपल है, जो कल मैंने डेफिनेशन लिखा था वही डेफिनेशन वी कैन राइट बाय यूजिंग व्हाट? लीड assignment rule. Okay, by using what? Lead assignment rule, we can assign. Okay, we can assign a lead. Okay, a lead to either a user or a queue dynamically at runtime. Okay, at what? At runtime. Fine. Now, based on what? User defined criteria. Okay, based on what? A user defined criteria. Now, abhi, what happens now? We have a assignment rule, and one assignment rule can have one or more rule entries. Okay, what happen? कैसा होता है यहाँ पे? Each assignment, okay, what? Each assignment rule, okay, will have one or more rule entry. Okay, जो रूल्स देखो, लीड असाइनमेंट रूल, लीड असाइनमेंट विल बी वन, एंड उसके अंदर मल्टीपल रूल्स क्राइटेरियाज होंगे. ओके, उसके अंदर क्या होंगे? मल्टीपल रूल्स क्या होंगे? एंट्रीज होंगी. ओके, और यू कैन से मल्टीपल रूल एंट्रीज, और यू कैन से कंडीशंस. ओके, और conditions. Okay, there will be multiple rules criteria, or multiple, you can say, conditions are there. Now, what this rule entries indicate? This rule entries or condition, okay, indicate what? This rule entry or condition indicate the rule criteria. Okay, rule criteria. Okay, to assign a lead to user or a queue. प्रैक्टिकली देखेंगे तब आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं देखने जाऊं, तो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई कैन गिव, सो लेट्स से लीड सिटी, okay, equals to Hyderabad. Okay, if lead city is equals to Hyderabad, then assign this lead to what? Hyderabad sales queue. Okay, this will be one rule. There can be another rule. Lead city, okay, equals to Nagpur, then you can assign lead to what? Nagpur sales queue, okay, or specific user also, okay, or a specific user also. Okay. Every time it is not mandatory to assign the lead to a queue. If you want to assign to a particular user, that is also possible with the help of that what lead assignment rule. Okay, what with the help of that lead assignment rule. But there are certain conditions, okay, which need to be followed while creating our what lead assignment rule. Okay, because in Salesforce organization, because in a Salesforce organization we can have one or more lead assignment rule. Okay, we can have one or more lead assignment rule, but the condition is that only one rule will be active at a time. Okay, अगर आपके पास दो assignment rules लिखे हुए हैं, so you can have only one assignment rule to be active. Okay, आपके पास क्या होगा, हमेशा एक ही assignment rule active होगा. Okay, so make sure कि whenever you are creating the lead assignment rule, एक ही assignment rule बनाओ and define your multiple criterias in that, and define your what multiple criterias in that. Okay, define what a multiple criterias in that. आगे देखते हैं. ओके, सो याद रखना कभी भी ये, दिस इज अ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. ओके, मीन्स एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन हैव मल्टीपल लीड असाइनमेंट रूल. ओके, एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या हो मल्टीपल कैन हैव मल्टीपल लीड असाइनमेंट रूल. ओके, बट ओनली वन लीड assignment rule can be what active at a time. Means वन रूल कैन बी एक्टिव एट ए टाइम. मल्टीपल दो रूल एक्टिव नहीं होंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ वैलिडेशन रूल, देयर आर मल्टीपल वैलिडेशन रूल्स वी कैन क्रिएट, और वो मल्टीपल कैन बी एक्टिव एट ए टाइम. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. देयर कैन बी ओनली वन लीड असाइनमेंट रूल विच कैन बी एक्टिव एट ए टाइम. ओके, दो असाइनमेंट रूल कैनॉट बी एक्टिव एट ए टाइम. ओके, assignment rule, okay, will fire, okay, or execute, will fire or execute upon creating, updating the lead. Okay, upon creating or upon updating the lead. Okay, so this is how you can do the lead assignment rule. Now we can see practically. Okay, अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली देखते हैं. यूज केस लिख लेते हैं. Now configure the lead assignment rule. Okay, what? Configure a lead assignment rule to auto assign the lead record, okay, to the below queue. What to what? Below queue. Now let's see. अभी I will write the conditions. Okay, मैं क्या करूँगा, अभी conditions लिखूँगा. Then after that we'll see practically. Okay, conditions. You can say the rule conditions. जैसे ऊपर लिखा है यही लिख लेते हैं. ओके, सेम. यही हम लोग कंडीशन ले लेते हैं हमारी। ओके, if lead is Hyderabad, assign to Hyderabad sales queue. If lead is Nagpur, assign to Nagpur sales queue. Okay, now now if I want to assign, okay, now if I want to assign to Nagpur sales queue, मेरे पास Nagpur sales queue already present है, okay, but Hyderabad sales queue I don't have. I don't have what? Hyderabad sales queue. So let's see. We'll do one thing. We'll change from Hyderabad to Mumbai. Okay. Okay. Now, now implementation. Okay. Let's see. अभी मुझे क्या चाहिए? I want a Nagpur sales queue and I want a Mumbai sales queue. So let's see in our org. Okay, this is what our org. Write a queue. Okay, how many queue we have? Okay, click on this queue. We have Nagpur sales queue, custom object queue. Okay, so this is what development user end. Okay, what I will do, I will delete this queue. Okay, now what I will do, I have Nagpur sales queue. So let's see who are all are the users. Okay, edit. So what I will do, I will remove this development user from Nagpur sales queue. I will save this. Okay, now what I will do, I will create a new queue. Okay, and that queue will be what? Mumbai sales queue. Okay, okay, Mumbai sales queue. Now let's see the lead object. Okay, you know how to create a queue. Okay, now let's go development user. Okay, development user and save it. Okay, so now you can see I am having two queues, that is Mumbai sales queue and Nagpur sales queue. Okay, now let's go and create what our assignment rule. Okay, create our assignment rule. So from home, okay, you can directly write that is lead assignment rule. Okay, see lead assignment rule, you can directly. Okay, so now, okay, go to setup. Okay, what, go to setup, search for lead assignment rule. Okay, search for what? Lead assignment rule. Okay, search for what? Lead assignment rule. Now I have shown you with the help of what? Lightning experience. Okay, lightning experience, यहाँ से setup में गए, setup से you can directly write the lead assignment rule, you will get it. Okay, but how to go in classic? Okay, so move to classic first. From classic, click on setup. Okay, from setup you can go to this build menu. Okay, build section. From build, go to customize. From customize, go to your lead object. Okay, expand it and write and click on this what? Your lead assignment rule. Okay, if you will click on this lead assignment rule, you will be redirected to the page where you can create what? Lead assignment rule. Okay, or directly you can write here. Okay, so lead, you can see the lead assignment rule. Okay, let's open this lead assignment rule. Okay, now this is what a standard rule which is provided by Salesforce. Okay, which is what? Provided by Salesforce, but you can delete this. Okay, or you can rename this also. You can rename this also and you can delete this also, because see the delete option is given over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will delete this. Okay, I don't want this. So now It is getting deleted. अबे यार, इसका क्या नाटक है? अब कब से बंद है पता नहीं। क्यों नेट भी चल रहा? आपकी क्लास के टाइम में ये नाटक खत्म नहीं करता। मोबाइल से कहाँ कनेक्ट होता हूँ? तुम जाके बैठते क्या उधर? यहाँ पे मत बैठो, मेरे को डिस्टर्ब होता है। ये खा लेना में। आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन। ओके, कहाँ तक आया था मैं? कहाँ से ड्रॉप हुआ? हेलो, कहाँ से ड्रॉप हुआ था मैं? अच्छा, okay, fine. Okay. So what I've done now, I've created a queue. Okay, you know now how to create a queue. Okay, what I've done, I've created a queue that is a Mumbai sales queue. Okay, I've created what? A Mumbai sales queue, and what I've done, I've assigned a member of queue that is development user. Okay, now we'll implement our lead assignment rule. Okay, fine. So now how you can go to lead assignment rule. Okay, so go to setup. Okay, in classic mode you can go to setup. From setup you can go to what, this build section. Okay, from this build section you can go to this customize section, and from this customize go to this lead section and expand it. Okay, as you expand this you will see a lead assignment. Okay, you will see what, a lead assignment rule. Okay, this is in what, a classic mode. Okay, now if you want to go through your lightning experience you can go from lightning experience also. Okay, from setup. Okay, if you will enter the setup, okay, just click on this what, home tab, and right here lead, you can see what, lead assignment rule. Okay, you can see what, lead assignment rule. Now let's switch to our classic. Okay, one more way is, like, click on this setup, and in this quick find search, lead AWS. Okay, you can find a lead assignment rule. Okay, now click on this. Okay, now this is what your lead assignment rule. Okay, and it is what, a new button. Okay, so now search for lead assignment rule. Okay, second, click and open the lead assignment. Okay, rule link. Okay, click and open what, your lead assignment rule. Okay, link, lead assignment rule. Now the third point, click on, okay, what, click on new rule. Okay, what, click on what, new rule. Let's see. Okay, click on new button. Okay, first click on what, new button. Okay, click on what, new button, to create a lead assignment. Okay, rule. Okay, Let's go and create it. Okay, let's go and create it. New. Okay, give the rule name. Okay, what you can give a rule name. So let's give CBI. Okay, auto lead assignment. Okay, CBI auto lead assignment rule. Okay, CBI auto lead what assignment rule. Okay, fine. आपको जो नाम देना है you can give. Okay, I have given what CBI. Okay, now make sure always click on the active checkbox. Okay, make sure always click on what your active checkbox. Okay, now click on this. Enter the what name of the rule. Okay, enter the what name of the rule and check on active checkbox. Okay, check on what active checkbox. Fine. Now fifth point, save the rule. Okay, save the rule. Now click on this save button. Now your lead assignment rule is created. Okay, now what your lead assignment rule is created. Okay, this is what your first step of your lead assignment rule. Okay, this is what your first step of your lead assignment rule. Okay, save the rule. Click on save button. Click on save. Okay. Now sixth point, it will be your second part. Okay, so I will continue with 6 point only. Okay, now open the newly created. Okay, what open what newly created lead assignment rule. Okay, what open what newly created lead assignment rule. Okay, so now seventh point. So see, you will go. Okay, आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे लीड असाइनमेंट रूल ओपन कर दिया. नाउ ओपन दिस न्यूली क्रिएटेड लीड असाइनमेंट रूल. कैसे ओपन करोगे? बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द नेम ऑफ द रूल. जस्ट ओपन दिस. ओके, ये आपने क्या किए? नाउ यू हैव ओपन दिस रूल. ओके, सो यू कैन सी द रूल नेम created by active modified by. Okay, now the seventh point is what? Go to rule section. Okay, go to what rule section. Okay, go to rule sec. हाँ बोलो. क्लियर नहीं आ रही है? एक मिनट. अभी आ रही है?
नहीं सर।
हेलो, अभी आ रही है क्या? एक मिनट. हाँ,
इको हो रहा है सर।
अभी
क्लियर नहीं है।
एक मिनट. हाँ, जस्ट अ मिनट, फिर से मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. क्या नाटक है यार.